Hello friends, welcome to Tilottamahandloom.in. I am Chaitali. Today I am going to show you our Khadi cotton collections. All the sarees are pure Khadi and pure cotton weaving, Khadi by cotton weaving, and all the sarees are handmade sarees. No powerloom sarees today I am showing. So let's start. This is our first saree. This is pure Khadi. It's off-white saree, all over the off-white body. This is our first saree. This is the pallu. It's hand-woven rose motif with some ornamental design on this pallu. And this is the body part. All over the saree the same pattern. This is the pallu. This is the saree, off-white saree with the pink roses on it. With panel designs. All the panels all over the saree. This is our first saree. I will show you the blouse pieces also. This is the pink blouse. This is the pink blouse. The saree price is 2650. Saree number 2. This is also one Khadi by cotton handloom. All these are pure handmade sarees, handloom sarees, hand woven actually. This is green body and a blue border. And with the saree is the blue ornamental design with the panel work design all over the saree. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, and saree blouse is this contrast blouse, blue with the blue border. Actually, body color is dual tone of blue and green, and saree is all over green. See the saree look. This is the saree. Saree number 2. The saree price is 1850. It's Khadi by cotton, hand woven saree. If you like, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. The same saree with the another color. You can also go through our website. Our website is www.tilottamahandloom.in. I will give you the link in our description box. All the sarees are uploaded there. Our next saree, saree number 3. This is another color, the same design as previously I show you. This is pallu. All geometric pattern design in pallu. Pallu is a blue border and body color is sea green. This is the saree look. All over the saree same panel work, the ornamental design. All this work you are showing in this saree, all these work are hand woven. There is no machine work on it. All are handloom sarees, and in the lower part of the archer, it's pom-pom. It's given pom-pom there. This is our saree number 3. The saree price is also 1850. If you like to if you like to purchase, just WhatsApp or WhatsApp us or go through our website. And if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. This is our next saree, saree number 4. It's pure Khadi. It's not Khadi by cotton, it's pure Khadi by Khadi. It's pallu. It's ground motif on pallu. It's black with pink. Very beautiful color combination. Border is pink with black, and one side is lower border is black. The saree pallu is this. Showing you blouse. Blouse is also pink, baby pink. Blouse also baby pink. And all over the sari the same pattern, this type of pattern. It's a zigzag pattern, one line green, pink and black, and the sari is creamish off-white, cream, which is creamish off-white, this body color. If you have any query, just WhatsApp us. I will give you the link, WhatsApp link in our description box. Our next sari, it's also khadi sari. You can see the same design, same design in cotton segment, but in other but it's pure khadi. It's check in the border side. Both border have checked with ikat pattern. It's very beautiful. Both side border is black with a red check on it. It's very smart, elegant look. In Delhi where you can use this. It's not cotton, it's also khadi cotton, pure khadi. It's pallu. This is the pallu. One panel is navy blue, one panel red, and rest of the sari red. This is how it's look. I will tell you again. It's ikat pattern and check. Both design are with the same sari. Very beautiful sari. Middle part red and both side is black with check. This sari price is 1850. This sari price is 1850. Blouse is navy blue with the red combination. This is the blouse. I will show you. Sorry. This is the blouse. This sari price is 1850. I will show you the another color of this sari, same pattern. This is pink, magenta pink, and border is blue. Border color is navy blue. This is the another color. Both side dark navy blue border with the pink, magenta border, and the body color is pink. Its middle part also, it's one check. It's 3-line check. To both side border and middle part of this check, and the rest of the sari is ikat pattern with the same. This is the sari, how it's look. This is pallu. And same pattern, blouse is also in same pattern. 1850. Sari price is 1850. If you like our saris, please subscribe our channel and please share with your friends and families. We are just launching our YouTube channel, so need your support. Please subscribe us. Our next sari. Summer friendly white, off-white. It's not white, it's off-white. This is the plain white, very smart one. Plain white sari with the oven design. This red oven design on the pallu and the same in the blouse. It's very smart one. I will show you the both part. Okay, this is the this one is blouse, inner side of the sari, and this is the in front of the sari. This is the pallu. It's separate with these lines. Pallu is separate with these lines. Body simple plain, and if you wear it with this designer blouse, it's look awesome. It's look like this. It's look like this. Okay, this sari price is 1650, I think. Yeah, this sari price is 1650. I will show you the next few sarees. The same designs with the color combinations are different. I will 5 to 6 sarees in this design. This is brown one with the orange border. One side orange border and one side pink border. And the small flower motifs on this body. These flower motifs are hand woven. I can show you the closer look of these flowers. These flowers motifs are handmade actually. This is hand woven saree. See this saree. The color is very beautiful one. One side orange border, one side pink border. Pallu is also brown and blouse is orange. Blouse is orange. This is khadi cotton, pure khadi cotton saree. This saree price 1850. These saree price are 1850. Just take screenshot if you like. I will give you a few color combination of this saree. This is another combination, yellow. This is yellow. Yellow with the orange and pink border. Both side orange and pink border. Pallu yellow. This is our next saree. Is black. Black is very beautiful. My favorite also. Same design with the black color. Border is orange and pink. Lower part border is pink and upper side border is orange. Pallu black and blouse is orange. This is the saree house. And this same design, another last color is the green. This is very soothing color. All these sarees are 1850. If you like our sarees, please share with your friends and family members. We need your support. This is our next saree, the green one, the same color, same combination, same design, flower motifs with the borders. One side orange and one side pink border. This is the blouse piece. Pink one is the blouse. The saree, achal pallu is this one. The next saree is another khadi cotton, black one, black red combination. It's all over stitching. It's all over stitching design on it. The stitching is also handmade. See how it's look beautiful one. It's very beautiful. It's very comfortable saree. It's all the sarees are without starch finish, so it's a friendly summer friendly saree actually. This is pallu. This one blouse piece. Sorry, this one blouse piece. Maroon is blouse piece, and this saree look is this. All over the saree, same pattern. This is how the saree. This saree price is 2250. This saree is cotton, pure cotton with khadi weaving on it. 2250. This is our last saree. Same saree in navy blue and red combination. This is also very popular hot fabric for us. This one also blue with the red. See how it's beautiful. It's pallu. This is pallu. How the saree looks. After dripping, it's look like this. This is our last saree. Saree price is 2250. This is our last saree. 2250. And I forgot to tell about my saree. You can book this saree also. We have many pieces of this saree. This saree is pure khadi cotton. Same one side border is pink and one side border is orange. This is the pallu design. I'm wearing it. The saree is grey. One side border pink and one side orange. One is broad border and one is small border. This saree is also the same price. It's 2150, but now it's on sale. I will give you the saree is 1950. 1950. This saree price is right now. If you like to purchase these sarees, just go through our website tilotamahandloom.in, and cotton segment and khadi segment you can check these sarees. They have uploaded their sarees, and if you otherwise you can just take screenshot from your video and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp link also given in the description box. Subscribe our channel. We need your support, and press the bell icon for the notification. If you have any queries, any comment, please come do let us know. We will happy to serve you. Happy shopping with us. Bye.